Hello everybody, a very good morning to one and all. My name is Ankit Sharma and I am your mentor for reasoning ability. My dear students, this is just the beginning. This is I think the second class. Okay, so let me first of all tell you that if you want to know who I am, so my name is Ankit Sharma and I have teaching experience of past 8+ years, and I have been a part of both offline and online education. So almost 5 years was in offline education, and from 2019 till today is online education. I have been a part of the leading offline and online education ventures or organizations in this country. Okay, I will not name anyone. You can type my name on YouTube also. You will get all the details. Now, my dear students, yesterday we started alphabet test. But yesterday when I started alphabet test, it was a very basic class because it was the very first class. And in the very first class, I cannot go till the topmost level. So yesterday itself, I was again and again saying, I was telling that please cooperate because it is the very first class. So I discussed the basics of alphabet test. I discussed the basics of alphabet test. And then we discussed the easiest of the questions which were there. Easiest of the questions. But now it's time to move ahead. Now it's time to start. Now it's time to solve the better questions, the good questions. And with these words, let us start with this. My dear students, so alphabet test part 2. Today the level of questions would be much better than what we have solved. So I request everybody to please join us as soon as possible. And then we are about to start. Okay, so now here we go. Here we go, my dear students. And now, have a look at this. The thought of the day. The thought of the day is, success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to count that, it is the courage to continue that counts. Success or even failure is not a destination that where once you have reached, now you have reached. So once success is not a destination that once you have reached there, you will always be successful. Failure is not a destination that once you have reached there, you will always be a failure in life. No. In your career graph, in your career journey, there will be many points of success, there will be many points of failures. You must learn to live in that, learn from the mistakes in the past, apply it in the present to have a better future. And with these words, we are about to start. So my dear students, here we go. The very first question. And your time starts now. Okay, time starts now. Hurry up. Quickly, everyone. Hurry up. And now, my dear students, have a look at this. Now, this is one of the best kind of question which can be asked in your exam category. Best kind of question. What it is telling you? A word has been given, the word is senior. A word is being given you, the word is senior. Okay. And now, you have to tell me how many such pair of letters, please mind it, how many such pair of letters are there in this word which have as many letters between them in this word as in the alphabetical order. I should repeat, how many such pair of letters are there in this word which have as many letters between them here in this word as in the alphabetical order. Example. See how to solve this easily. just acknowledge the positions of the letters. Just acknowledge the position of the letters. So once you acknowledge the position of the letters, then my dear students, you will realize that there is something called forward order. Forward order means A to Z. You can see over here forward order. You can see over here backward order. Backward order means Z to A. Backward order means Z to A. Okay, everyone. Forward order means A to Z, backward order means Z to A. Now, further, how to solve this? See, it's very simple. No shortcut, simple way. You have to check left to right. Okay. So from 19, check in forward order. From 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, nowhere it is matching. From 19, check in backward order. 18, 17, 16, 15, yes, it is matching. From 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. So yes, it is in backward order. From S, if you come in backwards order, you will be coming to O. From S, if you come in backward order, you will be coming to O. Okay. So my dear students, between S and O alphabetically, there are three letters P, Q and R. Between S and O alphabetically, there are three letters P, Q and R. And in here in this word also, there are three letters between them. Okay. Further, is there any other pair? That also we have to check. So from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, no. From 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, no. From 14 backward order, 15, 16, 17, no. From 14 backward order, 13, 12, 11, no. From 9 forward, 10, 11, backward, 8, 7, no. No, only one pair. Only one pair is there. And that is the way in which we will be solving this. I know that this type of question is slightly annoying and slightly confusing at the beginning. And that is why in today's session, we have more of such kind of questions. We have more of such kind of question. Okay. Fine, everyone. Moving ahead. Now the next one. Quickly, everyone. Hurry up. Easy one. This is an easy one. Okay. Now see, my dear students, if the digits in the number are arranged in descending order from left to right, digits in the number are arranged in descending order from left to right. So first of all 9, then 8, after 9, 8, and then 7, 6, 4, 7, 6, 4, and then 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So is any of the digits at the same place where it was earlier? No. So the right answer is option number. Okay. Is there any mistake which I have done? 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3. Any mistake which I have done? Let me see. 8, 4, 2, 7, 6, 3, 1, 9 is the number. See, 8, 4, 2, 7, 8, 4, 2, 7, 6, 3, 1, 9 is the number. And the digits are arranged in descending order from left to right. So first of all, 9 is arranged, then 8 is arranged, then 7 is arranged, then 6 is arranged, then 4 is arranged, then 3 is arranged, then 2 and then 1. Yes, obviously. What mistake I have done? It is such a silly mistake. See, 3 is at the same place. 3 is at the same place, no? So therefore, there is only one digit, and that digit is 3, which is at the same place. Earlier also it was at the same place. Now also it is at the same place. Okay. So your eyes should be very much clear, and you should be watchful over there. Now the next one. Quickly. Hurry up. Quickly. Now, each consonant of the word auspicious is changed to 3-step next letter. So each of the consonants, so this is the consonant, change to 3-step next letter TUV, P change to 3-step next letter QRS, C 3-step next DEF, S 3-step next TUV. Okay. Now, vowels are changed to 3-step previous letter. Vowels are changed to 3-step previous letter. R, L, F, F, R, X. Okay, but still the task is not over. Still the task is not over. Then they are arranged in alphabetical order. Now they are arranged in alphabetical order. See, by default it is from left to right. Ideally it should be mentioned that they are arranged in alphabetical order from left to right or right to left. Ideally it should be mentioned, but if nothing is mentioned, left to right will go by default. Left to right will go by default. So 3 times first F is there, then L is there, then 2 times R, then S, then 2 times V, and then X. Alright, fine everybody. Now, which of the following will be third to the left of fourth from the right? Third to the left of whom? Third to the left of whom? The one who is fourth from the right. Third to the left of whom? The one who is fourth from the right. So fourth from the right is 1, 2, 3 and fourth. Fourth from the right. And it's 1, 2 and third left is L. 1, 2 and third left is L. And that's the right answer. Option number D, that is L. I hope all of you are getting this. Isn't it? Option number D, that is L. So this was a slightly better question. Time-taking question. Next question. Solve this. Now this is the type of question in which you have to be very, very careful. Quickly. Quickly everyone. Now see, how many such pair of letters are there in this word? How many such pair? How many such pair of letters are there in this word which have as many letters between them in the word as they have between them in English alphabetical order? Now see, when we solved this as the very first question, question number 1 was similar to this one. But there the examiners explicitly mentioned forward order and backward order. And as I have said, forward order means A to Z and backward order means Z to A. Backward order means Z to A. Alright everyone. Now the best way to solve is just keep their positions in mind. Just keep their positions in mind. Okay everyone. Now after that, we have to check from left to right. We have to check from left to right. Okay. Now, my dear students, here if we go from 23 in forward order, 24, 25, 26, that's it. After that, we cannot check. See, A's position 1 till Z's position 26. We cannot check in forward order from 26. We cannot check in backward order from 1. We cannot check in forward order from 26. We cannot check in backward order from 1. Okay, now from 23 forward order, 24, 25, 26, no. From 23 backward order, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, no. From 18 forward order, 19, 20, 21, 22, no. From 18 backward order, 17, 16, 15, 14, no. So there is no pair from this, no pair from this. From 9 forward order, 10, 11, 12, no. Backward order, 8, 7, 6, no. But here it is obviously a pair in forward direction. Because when we move forward from G towards H, there is 0 letter between them. When we move forward from G to H, there is 0 letter between them. Okay. but here there is also a 0 letter between them. So this is one pair. From backward order from 7, 6 and 5? No. So there is again only one pair. There is again only one pair. Getting it, everyone? So Muskan Kumari, as I said, yesterday was easy level questions, but today is difficult level questions. And I know that still many people will not be comfortable in these kind of questions. So what I am doing is, we will solve more such kind of questions. I have kept more of such kind of questions. Alright, Muskan Kumari? Clear? Moving ahead. Now this is the easy one. This is the easy one. Quickly. Hurry up. Quickly, everyone. Now see, what is going on? B plus 3 C D E F G H I J K K L M N O P Q R S D E F G H I J K Q R S T U V W X Y. So everywhere you can see it's plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, but here it is plus 3 plus 2 plus 3. No? So that is why this is the odd one out. Okay, this is the odd one out. Okay, getting it, everyone? So this was easy question. So some questions will be easy like yesterday's question. Some question will be moderate and difficult, as you are able to solve today some of the moderate and difficult questions. Now this is like a moderate level question. This is a moderate level question. Quickly, everyone. Hurry up. Okay. Now see, these are some kind of questions in which even I'm uncomfortable sometimes, because this is less of reasoning and more of vocabulary. Okay. So how many meaningful English words can be made with the letters? How many meaningful English words can be made from the letters this, using each letter? Using each letter means all the four have to be used. All the four letters have to be used, and that too only once. See, the words which can be formed is team, okay, tame, to make. What is the meaning of, see, team meaning you all know. Team, Indian team, England team, Australian team. Tame means to bring something wild under your control. Okay, taming animals. Okay, then more you can have meet. Okay, meet. Okay, and then mate, classmate, roommate, flatmate. Okay, so four meaningful words we are getting over here. So I will not be now searching for the fifth one. Even if it is there, I will not be searching for that. The moment I get four, I will be marking more than three. Okay, moving ahead quickly. Again, a simple one, moderate question, not easy but not difficult as well. Quickly. Okay, time up, time up. Have a look at this. If the letters of the word reasoning are arranged in reverse alphabetical order from left to right. So if the letters of the word reasoning are arranged in reverse alphabetical order from left to right, so see S, R, O, double N, I, G, E and then A. E and then A. Done. So now, how many letters will remain at the same place? Is there any letter which is at the same place? I cannot see, but obviously I cannot trust my eyes more. I trust rather your eyes more. Okay. So very good, Muskan, very good. So I will request everybody, ask more and more students to join. Please share the session. Please like the session. Please ask more and more students to join. Okay. Fine. Coming to the next question. Fine, this is again that kind of a question which is one of the favorite question of this type under this category, century. Okay, now see, again the same way. See, here the examiner has not mentioned forward order and backward order. Let me make something very clear. If the examiner mentions only forward order, obviously you have to find only in forward order. If the examiner mentions only backward order, you have to find obviously in only backward order. If the examiner mentions both, anyways you have to find both. But even if examiner does not mentions anything like forward backward, even if examiner does not mentions anything like forward or backward, still you have to find both by default. Still you have to find both by default. Okay, point to be noted. Now see, one more thing. You cannot check, see we have total 26 letters, A to Z. A is position 1, Z is position 26. We cannot check in forward order from 26. We cannot check in backward order from 1. Keep that in mind. Okay, now see, we should check from left to right. How you will check? See, from 3 in forward order. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 3 in backward order. 2, 1, no. No pair from this. From 5 in forward order. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Backward order 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. No pair from this. From 14 in forward order. 15, 16, 17, 18. No. From 14 in backward order. 13, 12, 11, 10. No. From 20 in forward order. 21. Yes. Now this is in forward order. When you go forward from T, you will be coming to U. Okay, fine. Now from 20 in forward order, 21, 22, 23, no. From 20 in backward order, 19, 18, 19, 18, 17. So T and R. Yes, this is also one pair. Alphabetically between T and R there is one letter, and here also alphabetically between T and R there is one letter. Okay, then from 21, 22, 23, no. 20, 19, no. There is no other pair. Two pairs are there. Two pairs are there. Answer is option number A, two pair. So now I hope slightly, gradually you will become more friendly with these kind of questions. Okay. Now these are some of the higher level questions. Clear everybody? Moving ahead. Okay. Further easy question. Very easy question. Quickly. Okay. So there is one more option. But anyways, answer will be coming from here. You will be getting the answer from here. Now see, my dear students, How many meaningful English words can be formed with the letters this? How many meaningful English words can be formed with the letters this? Using each letter only one. See, you cannot make a word like ugly. Why? You cannot make a word like it. Why? Because here it is telling you can be formed using each letter. Using each letter only once. Okay? Please understand this. Secondly, abbreviations like today you all are using this like TTYL, talk to you later, be right back, BRB, OMG. These all are not meaningful words. Okay. Now, coming back, the only meaningful word that can be formed is guilty. The only meaningful word that can be formed is guilty. So, answer is option number C, that is 1. Answer is option number C, that is 1. Okay. Here by mistake one option is left out. Here by mistake one option is left out. That option was 2. Clear? Fine? Okay. Now, here how the examiner will confuse you. Examiner will say, try and make an anagram from this word. Try and make an anagram from this word. Anagram is a word formed by rearranging the letters of the word. Anagram is a word formed by rearranging the letters of the word. Next one. Quickly, hurry up. In the following question, select the word which cannot be formed. Which cannot be formed. Okay. So, my dear students, 9 can very much be formed. How? N-I-N-E. It can be formed. Arise, A-R-I. You can take S from here and then E. Can be formed. Sure, S-U-R-E can be formed. But least cannot be formed. Least cannot be formed because T is absent. Least cannot be found because T is absent. Okay, very good. So see, these are some of the easy questions. These are the easy ones. Okay, moving ahead. Go ahead. Further easy one. Here it is just the opposite. Which word can be formed? It is asking which word can be formed. Okay. So which word can be formed? Say fibers. Fibers. B is not there, so it cannot be formed. Dermis. M is not there, it cannot be formed. Serif. S-E-R-I-F can be formed. Frisky. K cannot be formed. K cannot be formed. Frisky. K is not there, no? So serif word is the word which can be formed. All right. Next. Go ahead. Now again a good one, a better one. Good question. So all the letters, yesterday I taught you the place values. Very good, Muskan. See, yesterday I taught you the place values. So if the same place values are used over here, one of the option is going to form a meaningful word. For example, here it is E's position. R, E, H, A, C, E, T. Is it a meaningful word? No, not at all. Here E, A, C, E, T, H, R. Is it a meaningful word? No. Here this T, E, A, C, H, E, R. Yes, it is a meaningful word. Absolutely. Teacher is a meaningful word. Okay. Option C is the right answer. If you use this one, T, E, H, A, C, E, R. Again, it is not a meaningful word. So answer is option number C, teacher. Answer is option number C, teacher. Okay, everyone? Fine. Okay, fine. Quickly, this one. Different one. Okay, now listen to me. Listen to me now. Now, here a alpha numeric series is given. Alpha, what is the meaning of C? Basically, it is alpha numeric symbolic series. What do I mean by them? Alpha means alphabets, numeric means numbers, symbolic means symbols, all of them are there. So what will come at the place of question mark? See, check from 3 to 5 and then 5 to T. So from 3 to 5, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th element to the right. Here also you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th element to the right. Here also you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th element to the right. So here I will be there. So answer must begin with I. So now in that case, this is gone and now this is the answer. This will be the answer. Now had there been more than one option which will start with the same letter I, then what we will do? 8, 7, 6. So 8, 7, 6. So from 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th right is this. From 7, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th right is this. From this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th right is this. So hash. Alright, hash. So I and hash. Had there been one more option with I and hash, then we would have checked this one. Z, 9 and B. So Z, 9 and B. From Z, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th right is 9. From 9, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th right is B. From B, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th right is B. So this is a pattern. Okay, like this, some or the other pattern will be formed for sure. Okay, next. Okay, moving ahead. Solve this. Which of the following is ninth element to the left of at the rate? Which element is the ninth element to the left of at the rate? Very simple. Very simple. Quickly everyone. Ninth element to the left of at the rate. This is at the rate. And ninth element to the left is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Answer is 5. Answer is option number C, that is 5. Alright everyone. Clear? Okay, fine. Moving ahead. Now, my dear students, this will be your homework. This will be your homework. You will solve this and you would be answering this under the comment box. I should repeat, you will be solving this and you will answer under the comment box. Now see, first of all, what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors, 1 and itself. Prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors, 1 and itself. For example, 2 is a prime number. 2 is the smallest prime number and 2 is the only prime number which is even. 2 is the smallest prime number and the only prime number which is even. It has only 2 factors, 1 and 2. 3 is the next prime number, only 2 factors, 1 and 3. 4 is not a prime number because apart from 1 and 4, it has one more factor, 2. 5 is a prime number, only 1 and 5. 6 is not a prime number because apart from 1 and 6, it has 2 and 3 also as the factors. Okay. Now, my dear students, what is the meaning of immediately followed by and immediately preceded by? See, my dear students, preceded means coming before, and therefore immediately preceded means immediately coming before. For example, today is Tuesday, immediately preceded by Monday. This is the month of July, immediately preceded by June. So immediately preceded means immediately before. But since we write from left to right, immediately preceded means immediately towards the left. Now second, immediately followed. See, followed means coming after. And so therefore immediately followed means immediately after. Today is Tuesday, immediately followed by Wednesday. Month of July, immediately followed by August. And therefore, my dear students, immediately followed means immediately towards the right. Because we write from left to right. For example, if I write the word example, your favorite online education platform, example. Okay. So if I talk about the word example, and let me take the letter M. So the letter which immediately precedes M, is immediately left of M. Because immediately precede means immediately towards the left. And the letter which immediately follows or succeeds M is towards the right immediately. Okay. So these are the things which you must keep in mind. Okay. So immediately followed is same as immediately succeeded. It is same as immediately succeeded. All right. And with these words, we come to an end of the session. My dear students, I will request all of you that please be regular in the classes. Alphabet test yesterday was of a very, very basic level. But what about today? Tomorrow we will start with another topic, that is coding, decoding. Even that we would be doing in more than one classes. Okay, 2 classes or if required 3 classes also. I have no issue in the number of classes. But you have to cooperate, you have to understand, and you have to attend the class regularly. Fine. With these words, we come to an end of this session. Please believe in yourself, because the day you will start believing in yourself, the world will start believing on you. Okay, my dear students, the day you start believing in yourself, the world will start believing in you. Thank you and have a grateful day. Thank you, everybody.